Okay, y'all. Following a Patrick Starr's tutorial, and I got to say I'm mighty impressed. Now, this ain't gonna be no full-on demo now, so. But I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and try this out. Honey, his darn gone face always darn gone don't have an ingrown in sight, and he's Asian. So from an Asian person to a black person, I said, now how he get his face all the way so smooth? And here I am, the licensed esthetician, right? And I'm dealing with all these folliculitis and everything else. Yeah, I'm an esthetician, but I'm not perfect either, honey. This is beyond my control. I need to get some laser hair removal. But, you know, I don't got P-Star money, honey. Now, if he want to darn gonna run a girl some coins, honey, down in Fayetteville, North Carolina, I'd be glad to give him my darn gonna PayPal, baby. But anyways, I'm using the Image. I'm using the Image Ormetic Cleanser for my shaver. And then I got my Gillette Pro Glide. I'm going to wet that right quick. And then I'm going to just go. Let me see. Now, see, my hair grows in the opposite direction him, so I just can't go the way that he went. So I'm going up like this. But he said to go in the opposite direction, and then he did this quite a few times. So I was just so surprised how he was able to get this whole section done. Yeah, my Adam's apple is quite substantial. I can't wait till I get that shaved down. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I got to say I'm mighty impressed. Come on through, Patrick Starrr. You might have a career in the darn gone cosmetology industry. Teaching esthetician new tricks, honey. We can still learn darn gone tricks from our darn gone non-licensed professionals too, honey. Shoot, this is good. I ain't even getting no uncuts this time. Because y'all know my skin is sensitive. Y'all know it's 70. I'm in North Carolina, so it's 70 degrees one day, 40 degrees the next, and that flares up my eczema. So not only is Patrick Starrr lucky as far as income-wise, but, honey, I think he's out in California, so he don't have to deal with this extreme temperature changes. But, yeah, I finished on up using once again, I used the Ormetic Cleanser for my shaver from Image Skincare. Then I went in with the Shea Moisture Tea Tree After Shave and Bump Preventer. This got witch hazel, tea tree oil, vitamin E, shea butter, jojoba olive oil, all of that in there. Also, as y'all can tell, I'm a melanated sister. I'm a Fitzpatrick number 5. So, to help with my hyperpigmentation, you know, with shaving, you know, black people, we can be prone to discoloration in these areas. The way that I keep my skin even tone is going in with the Image Illuma. So, this is the Image Illuma Intense Brightening Cream. This helps, you know, balance the tyrosine synthesis in the skin. That way, when my body, you know, tries to produce an abundance of melanin, this helps balance it out, so I don't end up producing an over amount. Because black people, we can end up, you know, every time we exfoliate, you know, if we over exfoliate and aggravate the skin, like I said, in this changing weather, my skin is sensitive. My skin might produce an overabundance, thus creating hyperpigmentation and darkening in these areas. So to prevent that, this helps keep my tyrosine synthesis in check. It helps shut it off just enough so I only produce enough melanin to blend in with my natural skin tone. And then from there, since my skin is properly balanced, I'm not using anything high in alkalinity. I'm staying within 4.5 to 6.2 on the pH scale. These bumps will go down in a couple hours. As far as my folliculitis up in this area, to help further treat that, what's my time? Okay, 2:30. I have the Sea Brazil By Bump Ingrown Mask. Once again, this is the Sea Brazil By Bump Ingrown Mask. This has 2% salicylic acid formulation. It's a clay consistency. I put it on at night, and this helps take down any barber folliculitis that I'm experiencing, because that is my top area. So much so that I need to hurry up and get laser hair removal. But this is going to suffice me in the meantime. I definitely recommend y'all to try out some of these products if you suffer from, ingrowns, folliculitis of any sorts. Like I said, I swear by this. I swear by my Shea Moisture After Bump Preventer. See Brazil by Stephanie Lanes. Love this thing right here. Definitely love this. Between this and my darn on Sarcadia, I need to stock up on the Sarcadia so I can show y'all the brightening mist as well. And that's pretty much my shave routine. Just modified with the P-Star version. So once again, shout out to darn on Patrick Starrr for putting the girl on to some darn on new tricks. Got my skin looking good now. But anyways, I'll see y'all soon. Hello YouTube, over a week later, but I've since shaving my face a second time using the Patrick Starrr method, and I wanted to show y'all my results up close. So let me get my control. Nope. How do I do it? I'm going to try to zoom in for y'all. So where is device settings? Uh-oh. Look like I might not be able to zoom. Oh, okay, there we go. So there's my skin. Oh yeah, excuse this, y'all. Like I said, the black mask did not work out too well. I don't know if that video is going to be up before then. And, due to recent situations, I have not been able to use a chemical peel on me. But this is what my skin is looking like up close. Okay, zoom back out. Yep, so far so good. Shout out to old Patrick Starrr. And y'all seen in the other video that I did on my phone. Like I said, I'm recording this a week apart, and I got like 2-3 other videos in between, so I'm trying to remember as much as possible. I showed y'all the See Brazil by Bump Ingrown mask. There you go right there. I used the African Black soap from Shea Moisture. Y'all know I'm a natural girl. Image, I use Vita C. This is what gives my skin the glow that y'all always compliment me on. Shout out to Image Vita C. Also from Image is the Intense Lightning Cleanser. I use the professional size, I use this on my clients, then I turn around and use this on myself. So these are the products that I use to keep my skin up to date. Also, since then, for my Walmart video, if y'all want me to do an updated video on how to get free items from Walmart, I can. But the first one I showed y'all was this Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm from Shea Moisture, the Fruit Fusion and Coconut Water. It now squeezes out. Y'all remember at first I couldn't get this to come out, but now it comes out. So even my lip care is all natural vegan. I try to stick with as mostly natural products. Natural as possible. And that is it. So shout out to old Patrick Starrr, honey. Got, Nubian goddess skin glowing over here. So that is it, y'all. Y'all leave y'all tips, comments, suggestions down below. If you a fellow girl who suffers from, hydrotrucium or hydrotrochosis, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Hydrotrucium. I'm from the South, so I will darn on put those words in the description box below. But if you're a woman who has a lot of hair on her face, or if you are a part of the community, gay, trans, etc., and you still got hair, I'd love to know if this darn on method works for y'all as well. I know it darn on. I've noticed less bleeding using his method versus when I was doing mine. Like I said, nobody never taught me to shave, so I thought I was doing it right after all these years. I'm 25, and I just had to learn from, because I think Patrick's a little bit younger than me. So that goes to show that, you can still learn from younger people as well. So anyways, if y'all follow this method, y'all tell me y'all results on it, or just leave y'all thoughts down below in general. Like, share, and I'll see y'all soon with more videos. Mwah. Next video will be another video. No, I got a video coming on my business channel about my Ibotta. I am about to cash out, so look out for that video as well. But anyway, see y'all soon.